Ma ka holo ana makahiki, ua hele a laha loa ka he'enalu a puni ka honua, a ua lilo he hauki ho'okūkū kauaina ke ano. Eia no nae, no ke ia loea o pio he'enalu, I ke lea o ia no ke ano ku'una o ka he'enalu a nui kona ha'aheo I ke la.
Being in the water and surfing out there, there's nothing else like it. It's just beautiful.
Surf in the morning, surf at night, surf in the afternoon's alright. You know why I'm alive and can't survive without surf.
Ma ka piha o ka umikumahiku wale no makahiki aia, o ko Hawaii Ezekiel Lau nei ka helu kanakoluku lua o na mea he'enalu o pio keu aka oi he ho'okahi haneli a puni ka honua.
For some reason, he had just a gift, you know, for the ocean and this sport.
You know, like if I could groom any kid to be the next big thing out of Hawaii, I would just take all the pages out of the Ezekiel Lau handbook.
He mako kulohelohe no a ka ua loa pū kona paipai a pahu ia e ka ohana keu aku mai ka makua kane mai.
One quote that my dad always told me that when I was going through a little slump in my competition days, he just kept telling me, you know, no one remembers second place, so kind of just fired me up and try and get me over that slump.
A mako holo o ka manawa, ma muli o kona mako koa nui holo mua, ke paipai hou aku ni oia I kona mau hoa he'enalu e ae I ke ia manawa.
When we're training for upcoming contests, sometimes we're relying on Zeke to not only be our star athlete, but also almost help us guide the kids. He sets an example for the kids that none of the coaches can really do because of how progressive his style of surfing is.
Ku ʻelele I kaika ana no oia no kona kime, a ka a ole pau ma leila, oia I ku ʻelele ana no kona la hui ke kahi.
I think the biggest part about Zeke is he loves being Hawaiian.
A ma muli o ko Ezekiel nui ha'aheo I kona au Hawaii I ume ia mai ai ke kahi o kona po'e kako o nui, oia ho'i ko fitted Hawaii.
He's a good steward of our brand because we represent, you know, this lifestyle that we live in Hawaii. He lives the same lifestyle.
O ka he'enalu ka mea e ho'opili ana ia Ezekiel I ke ia no hana Hawaii. Ma mua ho'i o ka laha o ka he'enalu a puni ka honua na koka kou mau kupuna a li'i no ho'i ke ia hauki a hana ho'a na nea ku'una a he mea ko'i a vai ke ia Ezekiel.
I think Ezekiel Lau understands when he's in the water that he's not only representing himself and his ohana, but he's also representing Kamehameha, the Hawaiian people, and all the other great surfers that came before him that set him up to this point.
All Hawaiians out here.
Oiai ua loa no kona nui holomua a lana kila, a ohe pau kona ho'i kaika ho'o makaukau ana no koke ia mua aku.
For 2011, mostly just getting ready for the summertime right now. We got the ʻAhaʻi World Junior Games coming up, which I'll be representing the Hawaii team as an amateur, and later that summer we have the NSCA Nationals coming up, and I'll be representing the Kamehameha Surf team this year. I've been training a lot, so I'm probably in the best shape of my life right now, so I guess I'm ready.
If all goes according to plan, it seems like Ezekiel will be the one that waves the Hawaiian flag in the next decade.
E nā hoa ʻŌlelo Hawaii, oia I hola no ia no ke ia pūkana kui ka wao ʻāhaʻi ʻŌlelo ola. E maka ala aku kākou I ke ia mau kanaka he umikūmakahi I ke ia makahiki. Mahalo nui I ke ia launaho ana mai a mai poina, I nā he mau ni nau a manao paha, e leka wila mai no, ia manao at Hawaiian Language Kiko TV. A hui ho aku no, alo.